Good afternoon, orchid friends. Just a quick one. I'm in the greenhouse. It's only going to be a short one. There might be a couple of tips in here. I've just watered the neos because they're all dry, and at this time of year, February going into March next week, it's a cool greenhouse, but what happens is the solar gain, even with thick polycarb, you get a really nice uplift. So you've got to really take advantage of days like this. So I've come in and I've taken advantage. I've really soaked the neos, as you can see. That's not a neo, but I've got my watering can with a rose on and just soak them, because these all dry out by tonight or tomorrow morning just fine. Fans on up there, look. And yeah, the sun just comes in and you get this lovely uplift, and it's probably 15-20 in here at the minute instead of 10, so you're getting a really good uplift this time of year. And it's that time of year where it's really nice, because you come in and you can feel just an uplift. It's really difficult to explain, but when if you do ever get a greenhouse, if you've got a greenhouse, you know exactly what I mean. Really cold outside today. We're lucky to get 5 degrees today here in the UK, in England, but in here it's just really nice and cosy, bright, and this is more or less in my greenhouse what we'd call sort of a traditional winter rest for cymbidiums, dendrobiums, then that type of orchid that we say needs a rest. Mazda Valleys, they don't rest. Neos would kind of say they do rest, but they kind of do and they don't. It's just that I think your conditions tell you to sometimes do things. So in nature, neos in Japan, it's obviously a cold winter, but it's quite dry. The humidity is quite low, but it's cool. So they can actually stand the cold. Whereas in the UK, you get that same temperature and they would probably just die straight off. Just the cold and the moisture gets to them. The humidity is too much. It's a different type of cold, so they would just perish. So in a greenhouse, you just keep them ticking over. So the moss goes crunchy dry. They let the media go dry, then they tick over. Dendrobiums, hardly get anything this time of year. They're just ticking over again. If the cool grown ones, that is, cymbidiums are the same. But soon, everything will just start getting that big uplift. It will just naturally come, because they will naturally dry off quicker. So you give them more water, feed it every time, and everything just kicks off again. Until, in my greenhouse, I'm keeping all the extremes to a maximum, to a minimum should I say. So temperatures, trying to keep it low as I can. Light the shading will come on, so the light will be greater, but I'll reduce it to improve that temperature so it's lower. And that's about it on this one. I just want to share that I've just come in, give them a watering, the ones that need it, and it's probably the first time I felt this in here now, which is a really good sign for us that spring is on its way in the UK and Europe. So good times to come. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please press the subscribe button. Hope you pick something up from that. Not be a lot, but it's only 3 minutes, 4 minutes video. But it's just a quick update in the greenhouse. There's nothing really to show. Everything's pretty much the same. Got a few in flower. I'll tell you what, I'll just do a quick, walk round if you want. Mazda Valley Ignia here. In flower. This is a really nice one. It looks quite orange on there, doesn't it? But it's not, it's quite red. Another Ignia, really nice clone this one. Really nice shape. I've won awards with these ones. And yeah, so on the whole, not a great deal going on. I've got to clear all that crap out in that corner, so I've been messing with the pond. Anyone that does follow my pond progress as well, and my koi progress, I came in today, I've not been in here for a week, believe it or not. But the actual hose came off my pump, so the filter wasn't running, so it's had no filtration. But I've got that air line in there now, so that kept them going, so all good. Fish are looking great. Water's a bit murky, but oh well, things happen, don't they? Neos are looking awesome this year. That's sunbeaming in. Woo, beautiful. So the Neos are looking really good. A couple of crappies, a couple of leaves gone, but hey ho, I've had a good year, not lost. I think I've only lost one. Look on the sill there. Where is it? There is it. So good with the Neos. That's the line I'm going. I don't buy any Master Valleys anymore. So I've had some bad news. Can't find the rabbit. The garden rabbit is vanished. So I think he's we've lost him. This really is my cool end. You see the difference in here? Sun's up there, look. So that the light is a lot more diffused. The sun's dropping down there behind those beams, and I've still got the shading up there, look, as a clump. This year, lessons learnt from last year, going to be thinking about this soon. About March, April, when the temperature started hitting about 85 Fahrenheit in here, 25 degrees, up to 30s. Master Valleys don't like that sort of deal. It wants to be shady and warm. Last year, I burnt a few, look. Burnt the Cristata, I've mentioned that before. Burnt that Massive to a crisp there, look. So yeah, I'm going to learn from that this year and get my shading on sooner. So I got caught out there. Slugs always to be aware of, slugs and snails. The sun, so don't get caught out like I did last year, because you get complacent. Seasons can catch you out. Tree ferns coming out again, which is good. I thought that had died off. Nice phylogeny all around the trunk of it, and that's about it. There's a couple of flowers. There's not a lot going off. What I don't do enough of is pick the plants leaves. Look at this lot, this here, terrible. So what I'd normally do with this lot, oh dear, Orchid's done that. That's what I do. Now look, what's this? Brutal, I know, but what's this now? Pick the leaves off, look. Sorry about the quality of video, but pick the leaves off. Whoa, decent Master Valley in there. Beauty of Master Valley has pulled leaves off. Give them a shake, dead leaves go. Spring will come and you know, sort me out for my bad culture. Okay, that's my bad culture that's done that, nothing else. Don't blame anything else but yourself. Culture, always say that. Look at your culture first before your brain. Products, bark mixers, culture. Culture, aim for the culture of the plant that you're wanting to grow. Okay, so again, subscribe. Get you a bit more there, didn't I? Going out for a meal now, my kids. I'll clean my pond filter out. I'm going to spend some time on this one later. Take the lid off, test the water. So, all good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let's get this number up to 1,000 subscribers, please. Cheers. Another one coming soon. Happy spring. Happy orchid growing. Happy koi growing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Don't forget to go onto the Facebook page. Okay, Orchid, love of orchids and gardening. And I've also got a koi one. Friendly koi keepers. Over 10,000 members on there now. So get in, get some questions going. Post some questions down below. Ignore me here. I'm not looking that good today. I'm getting sidetracked. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Bye.